Hey yo, Yoloista, I'm Jaro, and this is JAROMUSIC. Mukha naman naman sabog. Anyway, this is hashtag kantang my good vibes. Hope you like it. Let's go! One, two, 1, 2, 3, go. So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. If a gray wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then between the sand and the stone, could you make it on your sa classroom may patas? Bawal lumabas o bawal lumabas, pero pag sinabing pag nag-comply ka na bawal lumabas, pero may sinabing ginawa ka na pinagbabawal nila. Inayos mo yung law ng classroom nyo at sinabit mo ulit, pwede na pala ikaw lumabas. Maybe I'll find out a way to make it back someday, to watch you, to guide you through the darkest of your days. If a gray wave shall fall and fall upon us all, then I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back. Sa classroom may batas, bawal lumabas, pero pag sinabing pag nag-comply ka na bawal lumabas, pero may sinabing ginawa ka na pinagbabawal nila. Inayos mo yung law ng classroom nyo at sinabit mo ulit, pwede na pala ikaw lumabas. Run away with my heart, run away with my heart, run away with my love. Sa classroom may batas, bawal lumabas o bawal lumabas, pero pag sinabing pag nag-comply ka na bawal lumabas, pero may sinabing ginawa ka na pinagbabawal nila. Inayos mo yung law ng classroom nyo at sinabit mo ulit, pwede na pala ikaw lumabas. If I could, then I would. I go wherever you will go, way up high, oh down low. I go wherever you will go. I go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will. Anong wherever you will go? Bawal na lumabas eh. Ang kulit mo ah. Alright. So, thank you for watching. I hope you like my song cover, and if you have song requests, you can comment down below. So, that's it. Stay safe pa rin sa mga bahay-bahay natin, and welcome to Season 3 ng Community Quarantine Lockdown. Grabe, kailan ba matatapos to, no? Labas na tayo talaga. Sarap nang may puntahan eh. No? Anyway, ayun lang, and sana magkaroon na ng vaccine tong tong COVID-19 na to para matapos na, para makapagpatuloy na tayo ng mga buhay-buhay natin dun sa labas. Tsaka, I don't know, basta, alam mo na, meron kasi tayong mga gustong gawin sa buhay natin na hindi natin magawa dito sa bahay. Yung mga nandun sa mga malalayong mga lugar o sa mga lugar na alam natin na pupuntahan natin pero hindi natin mapuntahan kasi nakakulong tayo sa bahay. No? Kaya pag-pray na lang natin lahat. Anyway, like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell in order for you to be updated in my upcoming videos. So, dito ko natatapusin yung videos. So, till next time, Yoloistas, peace out, and stay cool. All the time of the community quarantine lockdown. Let's go!